right, class, we're going to work on lesson 6-8 today. And we've been talking about percents in this chapter. Finding percents, finding the amount if you're given a percentage, like finding 25% of a number, or finding the part if you're given a percent to find. Well, now we're going to talk about finding the percent if a number changes. Finding the percent of change, it's called, or the percent of increase or decrease if a number changes. Let's look at this example. If the number changes from 15 to 20, okay, automatically we can see that that's an increase, right? So how much of a percent increase? That's what we're trying to find. And the steps are pretty simple. To find the percent of change of something, you find the difference of the two amounts from 15 to 20 is a difference of 5, and you always use the bigger absolute value minus the smaller absolute value. So 20 minus 15, then it's written over the original amount. So what does that operation show? What is that operation if something is over another number?
Division.
Division, yeah. So the difference is 5. It's written over 15. So we divide it to find the percent. Just like before, when you had written a proportion or in a ratio, you divide and then multiply it by what? 100 to find the percent. So it's the difference of the amounts divided by the original amount. 15 is the original amount times 100. Okay? Let's look at your, on your worksheet. Number 2. 33 is increased to 55. What would you do? Isaac?
55 minus 33.
Right.
22.
22. And then what, Dylan? Divide it by, not divided by 100. Look at your worksheet. Yeah.
Not the worksheet.
Divided by what?
Probably.
Run number 2. What? Divided by what, Joey?
33.
By 33. Why 33 and not 55?
That's the original.
Because that's the original amount. Right. 55 minus 33 divided by 33. So 22 over 33. What is that as a fraction? (22 over 33). Kira?
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Factor out the 11, right? It's 2/3. What's that as a percent? Kira?
66.6.
Right, 66.67 or 66.7 if we rounded it, right? Good. And we know it's an increase because the original amount is lower than the other amount. Okay? The amount it changes to. So when you're writing your answer, you have to write that it is a percent, what percent it is, and then tell if it's an increase or decrease. Okay? How about a decreased amount? What about number 10? What would we do at number 10, John?
You would do 56. Wait, yeah, 56 over
56
35.
is decreased to 35. Right? So this is the starting amount. This is the next amount. This is a decrease. What is the difference? No?
That would be 21.
21. And then divide it by what? Dylan? Stay with us, Dylan. Focus.
Okay.
Okay. James?
Yeah.
Divided by what?
21 divided by 35. Starting off.
No, it's not the 35 because it's a decrease. So what's the original amount? 56. Divide it by 56. And then times it by 100. It says round it to the nearest tenth of a percent. So find that one. Who has it? Use your calculator. Henry. Henry. Do you have it?
Well, Mr. Motsky, I would have them, but I don't have mine, and my mom has my other one. Which
Okay.
is,
Well, give yours back. Give that one back to him.
and then
John, you have it?
My
Clumsy. Well, you gave it to me.
Stop talking.
0.1 near 10.
What is it as a decimal? What is it as a decimal, John?
0.35.
0.35.
I mean 0.73. 0.375. Yeah.
375.
You found a small.
All right, come on. What is that then as a percent? You don't even need a calculator now. Not 375. 37.5%.
I relied.
Okay.
I relied.
Yep. Move it over 2 places to multiply by 100. Any questions on finding the amount of increase or decrease? All right.